What if I told you that you don't need 1,000 subscribers, you don't need 4,000 watch hours, and you don't need YouTube monetization to make money on YouTube in 2026? Smart creators are getting paid without it. No ads, no waiting, and even no permission. So in this video, I'm going to break down 7 ways in which you can make money on YouTube even if you are starting out. So if you are new here, my name is called Mose. I live here in Kenya. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that you cannot miss our future updates on how to make money online. So let's get started. Number 1 on our list is affiliate marketing. This is the easiest and the fastest way to earn. You don't need monetization, you don't need a big audience, and you don't need sponsors. What you just need is a niche, a link, and a product. And here is how affiliate marketing works. You recommend tools, softwares, courses, or even physical products in your videos. Then you place a link in the description. When someone clicks on the link and then makes a purchase for a service or a product, you earn a commission. That is it, as simple as that. Example, if your channel talks about tech, you can recommend gadgets. And if your channel is all about forex trading, you can recommend brokers, trading tools. And if your channel talks about fitness, you can recommend things like supplements, health and fitness tools, or even workout programs. You earn commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. Some affiliates pays $5 per sale, others $50 per sale, others over $200 per sale. One video can generate you recurring money over time, and that is leverage. Without even YouTube monetization, you can sell your own digital products, and this is where real money comes in. You keep 100%, not commissions. You can sell ebooks, trading strategies, workout plans, editing presets, templates, Notion planners, and even courses. So let me give you a strategy. Create a YouTube video that solves a certain problem. For example, you can create 10 YouTube videos solving certain problems. Then you keep on uploading them on YouTube. Then you offer a deep solution in your products. YouTube becomes your traffic machine. You don't need millions of views, you just need targeted viewers. I remember last year I was promoting certain courses and it actually paid me good. And yet I had not monetized on that channel. I was just promoting my courses, teaching people how to do forex trading on my another channel, and it really brought me more money. That's why I'm saying with only few subscribers, they can change your monthly income. Number 3 method to make money on YouTube without monetization is you can offer a service. Now this is the fastest path to serious money. If you have a skill, YouTube can bring clients. For example, if you have a skill in beat making, video editing, graphic designs, fitness coaching, or even forex mentorship, instead of saying subscribe only, you can also say if you need help, you can click the link and follow for more. Let's take an example. If you are a beat maker, if you make beats for musicians on YouTube, and then you make a sample beat, upload it on YouTube. Then that beat goes and finds a musician who needs such type of beats. And maybe you are offering one beat at $20 and he or she wants 5 beats. That is around $100 for a very short period of time. And one client could pay more even than YouTube ads. And whether you like it or not, when you make good beats for these musicians, they will be coming back again. Small audience, high value equal to big results. Method number 4 to make money on YouTube is with brand deals. You don't need AdSense to work with brands. Brands mostly care about trust, engagement, and content type. Even small channels can secure brand deals if they are in a specific niche. For example, a 3,000 subscriber channel that talks about trading tools is more valuable to a broker than a 100k subscriber blog channel. Now, to secure brand deals on YouTube, focus on clear niche, clean branding, professional email in bio, and pitch directly to brands. Now, another method is YouTube automation plus lead generation. Instead of relying on YouTube ads only, you collect leads. For example, you can offer free PDFs, free checklists, free mini courses. People click on the link and they leave you with their email address. Once they sign up with their email address, now you own the audience. Now with this email list, you can sell products, promote an offer, or even launch a service. YouTube traffic becomes your long-term income, and smart creators don't just beg for subscribers, but they build email lists. Now, number 6 way to make money on YouTube is through crowdfund and support. Do you know that in 2026, audience are supporting their creators? So if you are a creator like me, you can use Patreon, membership, buy me a coffee. If your content provides real value, people will support you. Especially if you are in niches such as finance, motivation, even in business, loyal followers will support you. Now, our final way is flipping traffic to other platforms. You can use YouTube to grow Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, school community, and paid Discord groups. YouTube builds authority and other platforms converts faster. Let's take an example. If you post trading content, then you direct your viewers to your Telegram or private mentorship group. That is income without ads. Here is what most people get wrong. Number 1, they chase monetization instead of value. Ad revenue is the lowest way to make money on YouTube. Real money comes from ownership, skill offered, and audience trust. Monetization is optional, but authority is not. So if you are serious about making money on YouTube in 2026, stop waiting for approvals. Start building assets. You don't need a permission to earn. You need a niche, a strategy, and consistency. So pick one of 7. Commit to it, master it, and remember, YouTube doesn't pay creators, but value does. So if this video helped you, subscribe, like, and share with your friends who want to start to make money online without monetization. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.